The Odd World trailer, Tommy Lee.
Yeah.
Videos, Pingu Kulu Kohoni Papaya.
Uh-huh.
Eat my motherfucker.
No. Wait, what?
Huh?
Alright, yeah, I'm oh.
Bitch wanna play around with my heart. Yeah, I keep the iron on my hip like that.
Man, what is the word? Man, look, what is the word with y'all, Give me like, listen, to be honest with you, it's currently 6 p.m. Let me show y'all the map real quick. Show y'all the time, not the map. 6 Man, what is the word, man? I ain't gonna lie, guess where I'm back at? You feel me? Hey, I ain't gonna lie, y'all can see like the little atmosphere or whatever, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling real good. And I ain't gonna cap. I'm about to walk past this crowd right here. Not this crowd, but I'm about to walk past this one fucking sewer thing. And this some like, but on gang. Look, these right here, I think is these. Ain't no telling. I'm thinking it's those, but smell like badonky dookie. Okay, it's like badonky dookie. But no, I ain't gonna lie. We left the concert. I'm saying we was at No Cap and Hurricane Wisdom and everything. And I think I don't know who else. I think like YG Fat, something like that. Might be tripping. But I ain't gonna lie. We left their concert. Right now, what we about to do though, we about to go to the, you know what I'm saying, Canes and stuff like that. You feel me? Right here. No Cap. It's still active. It's like 12 o'clock right now. And it's still hella active. So we about to go down and try to see what we can do, what we get into, cause I ain't cap. We only here for one night. You feel me? On gang. And I was gonna show y'all. Damn, brother. I was gonna show y'all the, you know what I'm saying, shit, but you know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's get to it. Eat good, the move bang. You got the canes, and I forgot to record when I had the canes. I forgot to record it. But now I'm saying, keep fucking that shit up. And I'm eating mine and shit like that. Dropping that shit all over myself. But I ain't gonna lie, I ain't been recording because the music loud, but it's good though, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, take a bite real quick. Y'all know I like to shit. I break bread with them. Take a bite real quick, you feel me? Damn, y'all hungry as hell. Y'all took my whole shit. Y'all ain't getting no more. Y'all good. Y'all not getting no more. You see this? This shit look too good. Y'all not getting no more. It's look, we left out of Canes, right? And I ain't care. I be slacking and shit. I don't be never, you know what I'm saying, recording, you know what I'm saying, when I got food, or I don't ever be recording my car. Is that a Maybach? Maybach? But not a, I don't ever be recording, you know what I'm saying, my stuff no more, my cars and stuff like that, you feel me? I need to get back in my stuff. So you know what we about to do right here? We about to do like car, you know what I'm saying, spotting this and like that, you feel me? Like,
Cap.
we about to, you know what I'm saying, try to see like, you know what I'm saying, some different cars and things of that nature, you feel me? Being realistic, I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to tell y'all something real quick. I'm about to talk to y'all real quick about something that just happened just now while I was talking. So, damn, Scatty Waddy, you know what I'm saying? Stop playing with them. You know what I'm saying? Look, red seats too, blue with the red gut. I ain't cap. Somebody in the passenger seat, but me, them niggas, whoever owned that shit been leaning back on game. But now though, so I'm gonna tell y'all something that just happened, right? So I was walking. As I was walking, right? I'm saying, walk past this group of girls. They see me recording, they start laughing. Fuck you. You know what I'm saying? You ain't talking about shit. And I know I'm yapping, but just look at this shit, bro. This y'all just look so beautiful, bro. I ain't gonna lie, the tropical trees, everything, you know what I'm saying, look amazing, bro. No yappity. Stop playing cold start time. Hold up. Is it gonna work? Yeah.
I'm a YouTuber.
You said you are?
I'm a YouTuber.
For real? What's your name?
The Odd World trailer.
Huh?
The Odd World.
That's you?
Yes.
Let me look at you up real quick.
Those are containers.
I appreciate it. What is it?
The Odd World.
You type it in.
I can't see.
Oh, you can't see? You can hear YouTubers.
When do you see the shit? That's me.
That's you?
That's me.
Oh, yeah, that look like you. That is you.
Here, Florida.
So look, I just met Tommy Lee right now on Miami South Beach right now. You know what I'm saying?
Put it on my YouTube.
Yeah, put it on YouTube. Hey, what's on here, YouTuber? Y'all subscribe to his YouTube channel. What's your YouTube channel?
The Odd World. The Odd World Trailer Tommy Lee.
Yeah.
Videos. Pingu Kulu Kohoni Papaya.
Uh-huh.
Eat my pussy, motherfucker.
No. Wait, what?
Huh?
Alright, yeah, I'm I ain't gonna care. The person that y'all just seen just now, that was Tony. I ain't gonna lie. He said he was, you know what I'm saying, famous. He was a billionaire. I ain't gonna lie. The little clip he told me, he said he was a YouTuber. Clip he showed me, he got 11K views and get a lot of comments and there's no. But I guess he go up to certain people and tell them to subscribe to his channel because everybody like, oh yeah, I met him, this and that, this and that. But don't drink, guys. Don't drink. No yappity. Stay sober. Listen, I couldn't do no cold start for y'all, so I'm gonna do one again right now for y'all because, you know what I'm saying, Tony or whatever his name was had started talking to me. So let's do the cold start. You ready? It's not a cold start, really. It's like kind of warm, but you know, still. Boom, I ain't gonna cap, you know what I'm saying? That bass line now, factual, you know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. Listen, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, nothing going on South Beach. It's Saturday night, and I ain't gonna lie. It seemed very dry for Saturday night. I know it's 1 o'clock in the morning, but dang, bro. It's about 2 o'clock in the morning, but bro, where is everybody at? But I already know Bayside. I already know what I'm saying. They always, to be honest with you, I know I said I was going to car spot, but that ain't happening. I'm just going, you know what I'm saying, just do random stuff. But look, you know what I'm saying, I know I said I was going, you know what I'm saying, I'm talking to myself. I'm repeating myself. We gonna go to Bayside see what it is. Like I said, you know, if y'all know, y'all know. Bayside turns into a club at nighttime, so we gonna be going see what it is. And you know I got the shorts on, so you know what that gotta mean. Hold up. I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? Hey, something different. You feel me? Right now we currently, you know what I'm saying, right here by like the little beach area, you feel me? And we just chilling, you feel me? No yapping. It feel good outside. I ain't been no beach in a long time, so we about to go outside and see what it is. Yeah. Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing about my feet. I ain't gonna lie, this joint crazy. You don't even feel like, you know what I'm saying? You in Florida for real, for real. This junk is cool, I ain't gonna lie. That's why I said, bro. I'm saying I wish I could stay out here every day and all day, bro. It's the best. The best is. I recorded my camera, but look, bro, it's my first time since shit like this in my life. It's right there. Now I'm in Wynwood now, you feel me? You know, yappity, my guy. Oh, yappity. I ain't gonna cap to you. To be honest with you, I just had the craziest burger in the world, you feel me? I think I put it on camera too. I got the craziest, you know what I'm saying? The craziest, my guy. The craziest, and it was hella good, I ain't gonna lie. Damn. Late ball. Y'all see that, let him know. Facts. Y'all see that, let him know. Somebody, well, in the gush, oh, it's for sale. I'm thinking somebody stole it. Look, so now honestly, what I'm about to do, to be honest with you, I sat here and thought about it. Now, I came to Miami, you know what I'm saying? To be honest with you, I ain't really recording nothing for real, but now, I think I might just put this video as me going to Adin Ross warehouse. You know what I'm saying? Because think about it, I'm about to go to this warehouse right now. I'm about to go to Adin Ross warehouse and see what they talking about. So yeah, I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? Y'all tune in with me. I might try to see if he outside, probably see if Cuffin there, you know what I'm saying? See it, you know what I'm saying? He in that L-cat thing, you feel me? No yappity. So look, listen, y'all tune in. We gonna go to his warehouse. We going, you know what I'm saying? Try to get his attention. I'm gonna go out there, I'm gonna rev my engine a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So they can look outside. They can see me, you feel me? So yeah, y'all tune in. I'm about 12 minutes away right now. I'm not about to drop the loads, but look, I'm in Wynwood right now, you feel me? And his address is like 11 minutes away. Yeah, you feel me? So time to go get it. And by the way, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? His warehouse address is public, you know what I'm saying? You can look it up on Google and they'll literally pop up, but you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's how I got it. I ain't, you know what I'm saying? No cap. I ain't gonna cap. It got serious, you know what I'm saying? You see, I took the cap off, bro. Took the cap off. It got serious, bro. Listen, if y'all know, y'all know. Y'all familiar with this, y'all familiar with this, bro. Not on this side, but that side right there. I'm just, me personally, I'm just not going in that side because I don't want to be a weirdo, bro. You know how, bro, it gets to a point, bro. You know how I be, bro. I don't want to seem like I'm a weirdo, bro. But this is literally where it's bright. But this is literally, I'm saying, the warehouse right here, bro. Like, dead ass. Like, I don't want to be a weirdo, though. You feel me? Like, oh, that's it. Surveillance police. Look, that's it right there, my guy. That's it right there. Listen, I don't want to be a weirdo, but y'all can't say I didn't come to his fucking warehouse. You feel me? I traveled all the way here to come to his warehouse. And I'm gonna give me a crazy thumbnail too. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna get a crazy thumbnail. You feel me? So listen, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, give me 100 likes and I'll come back and I'll actually knock on the door. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie. I know I'm outside and I'm not even, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? But give me 100 likes and I'll come back and knock on the door. I'm gonna get a thumbnail of my car in front of it and I'm like, you know what I'm saying? Something like that. I'm gonna be, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make it seem like, you know what I'm saying? You know, I'm gonna do what I gotta do. But like I said, 100 likes, and I'll come back and actually knock on the door and try to get them to come outside or whatever. Try to get his attention or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Because I ain't gonna lie, I mess with Adin Ross. I mess with Cuffham. If I'm not mistaken, Cuffham got a room inside the warehouse too. I mess with Cuffham and Adin Ross. You feel me? So, you know what I'm saying? I really would love, you know what I'm saying, to, you know what I'm saying, actually talk to them. And I mess with his hell, cause you know, I love cars myself, you feel me? My baby right here, hold up. Oh. She barking, right? Yeah, she barking. But not though. I love, you know what I'm saying, cars and things of that nature. So, you know what I'm saying, for surely I would, you know what I'm saying, love to see his Hellcat personally. You feel me? So, like I said again, 100 likes, and I will come out here, you feel me? And knock on his door and try to get his attention. And I'm in the hood, I ain't gonna lie, their warehouse is in the hood. I'll try to get attention, you know what I'm saying? And maybe we can end up, you know what I'm saying, recording together, you know what I'm saying? Maybe I get him on a vlog, you feel me? So, oh. Nice whip. Y'all let me know, man. I ain't gonna lie. But, I'm gonna also stop at 2 more places that y'all are probably familiar with. So, for right now, that's the end of this area right now. I think so. I might record a little bit more, you know what I'm saying, up ahead, but I don't know. So we gonna see. All right.
Young nigga get picked up, oh yeah. Riding in a black truck, oh yeah. You ain't finna crack up, oh yeah. I ain't finna cuss hurt, oh nah. Why you so butt hurt, oh yeah. This whole big flirt, oh nah. Running with the top hurt, oh yeah. My mind's getting darker, oh yeah. I'm a real damn trap up, oh yeah. Block 40 getting blacked up, oh nah. Finna blow a nigga head up, oh yeah. I'm fucking on crack guns, oh yeah.
I see some crazy houses, I ain't gonna lie. We about to pull up to his house right now. We about to get right here to his house. I ain't gonna show, I'm gonna try not to show no street signs and everything. I don't wanna be that one. You know what I'm saying? We about to pull up to his house right now though. This is his house right here. Those his cars. That's tough. No, yeah. Show y'all again real quick. No, yeah. I'm going right back around spinning this bitch. No, yeah, but nah, they got some nice houses around this area on game. Like, for being realistic, they got some nice houses. You can see the Lamborghini over there, low key. I'm gonna slow down when I go past this here. Stop playing. You know I had to put the screen on too, my guy. People actually living in something like this. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy, my guy. I think this is one property too. Like, look at this shit. Like, somebody actually living here. Like, what? Somebody actually, you know what I'm saying? Like, what? It's a neighborhood with just straight big ass mansions. It's crazy, I ain't gonna lie. Like, look at this jump though. I love a house like this. Actually. And this is exactly why I love Florida, because the houses, these are just crazy. Alright, so I was gonna go to Speed House, but he got a gated community, so we went on the other side, but I ain't gonna show y'all too much of that. But I'm gonna show you these houses right here, though. This is like a neighborhood next to his house, but these junks is nice too. That's why I said, you know what I'm saying, y'all need to hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying, like this bitch, you know what I'm saying, like this joke cut, you know what I'm saying, give me some, you know what I'm saying, yeah, so I could, yeah, you know what I'm saying, yeah, on game. I need to, you know what I'm saying, live beside something like this. I'd be satisfied with one of these, like, it don't even got to be nothing too big, you know what I'm saying, it could be like something small, like, you know what I'm saying, a medium size, like 2-story maybe. These is 2-story, but you know what I'm saying, nothing got to be nothing crazy. You know what I'm saying, I'd be good, you know what I'm saying, yeah. Something like that right there in the front. Something like this right there. Something like that, I'd be good with that right here. Hold up, where that's at? Zoom in. I'd be good with that right there, you feel me? No, this crazy though, this nice.
Oh yeah,